Dosa. There is AC inside and it was hot when we came. Dumbo. Dumbo. This is veg pulao. White rice. Pulao manchas. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 2 in Vietnam, and I think you've been seeing me in the same clothes since yesterday, so I'm going to go transition and get changed and ready first and then tell you the story, what we're going to do. Let's head to day 2. Finally changed and had one. I've got this white shirt. If you see my Meesho haul video, I'm very stylish, so this is not the final thing. Let's get ready. We are finally headed out for day 2, and Mother Dear has found an Indian restaurant, so we're going there for brunch, and we're walking Gali Gali Simsim. Gali Gali Simsim. I love the look, I'm so happy. Yeah, so I was saying I had thought of styling this, at least the top and the white shirt, and I'm so happy with the way it has turned out. I'm so happy. We'll take photos. These glasses are from Meesho if you've seen the Meesho haul. This white shirt is from Meesho if you've seen the Meesho haul. And let's head for lunch. By the way, the street we came out from, Samaira was just taking videos, and these people were there for massage. They are in like Vaisena. Samaira was just randomly taking a video. They got so offended. Like, no. Yeah. We are at Makhan Bhog. This is, just look at this address or whatever is written, but 140k. Wow, South Indian. Look at this menu, guys. South Indian. This is as you enter. There is seating. Here there is seating. Let's follow. There is seating up also. Chalo. Indians are everywhere. Woohoo. This is a vegetarian and vegan restaurant, so a good option for vegetarians. Now we'll give you a review after eating the food. Bye. This is veg pulao, white rice. Life hacks. We are putting the manchao soup in the, wow, my hand was like this, in the plain white rice. Let's do taste test. White rice like pulao. Pulao, sorry. The soup is not souping on me, but paneer is at least paneer. Pulao manchao soup for the test. Instead of that, take spoon में समझा ही नहीं. Hello, so we had food at Makhan Bhog. and it was okay. I didn't know that pulao is supposed to be sweet. When we called for pulao, it was quite sweet. Then mancha soup was quite watery, and we called for paneer tikka as a starter. Paneer tikka was good, and then because this pulao was plain white rice with all the pulao ka ingredients, we called for makhan paneer, paneer butter masala or something. So that was good. Paneer for the win. Now we are headed to different stops, different spots. We're walking, digesting the food. And yep. So we have been using the Grab app. Right now maps are on. We're walking down to the Independence Palace here. It's like how we have Asiatic Library, like Dekhne mein. Yesterday we passed through, which is why I know. So yeah, but otherwise you're using the Grab app for taxis. There are bikes also. It's like idhar ka Ola, Uber. There are also activities you can book. You can find like everything you get on the Grab app. So that's a must. Remember if I mentioned, but we had 4,60,000 ka khana, which is approximately 1,400 rupees. Which is okay, but because the food was not Indian, obviously it can't be Indian, but still Indian in a foreign country. ठीक है, मतलब okay. We have another restaurant also scheduled for dinner. Scheduled मतलब we planned. Let's see. We were just walking to the Independence Palace and we found this Diamond Plaza Mall, and it's also drizzling. So we thought let's just go indoors and spend some time indoors. Then we go, it's just a random mall. Let's see.
Thank you for this.
I'm roaming the mall. There's Mama and Samara left me. They want to go to that. But I want to see the entire mall though. Just walking here alone. But what I did, my lipstick had come off because of eating food, and I asked who? Chanel to give me a tester, and then I applied that. I took that on my hand and I applied that. So, a lot of kid stuff over here, and I can see this stuff. This looks like a day. Oh, but it's a dining. Oh, there's a kid section also inside. Hi. We are just walking. We are at the main. Everything just feels like the main city center. So I don't know what to say at this point. I can't even pronounce because I don't want to do wrong. But we went to the Independence Palace. Like we just walked from outside. We have to actually exchange cash. So we didn't get in. There's a ticket fee for it. So we didn't have it for 3 people. We just need to get some cash exchanged. And why we walk looking for an exchange this, there are so many malls, so many malls everywhere. So that's just what's happening. This is one mall, this is another mall, that is a third mall, and there is more mall and mall and mall. This is one more mall. if I showed you, but there was this Saigon Information Center, Saigon Tourism Information Center. I don't know if it was government, if it's a government body or what, but we had to exchange money. We got our money exchanged, and then we asked them because we need to head to the next location tomorrow. So we just took a lot of information from them. We ended up booking our tickets. We took bus tickets to Danang. It's a 14-15 hour bus ride. So we did that. That approximately was, oh, we paid 27 lakhs for that. We converted 37 lakhs, we paid 27 lakhs for that, which is like approximately 8,500 for 3 people. And the photo she showed look very good. The buses look very good. So we only figure tomorrow how it is. We do have time. It's our 6 p.m. bus tomorrow. We do have time. So we're going to see what to do between our checkout time and the bus time. For now, we're still here. We are at the Opera House. I'm going to show you the Opera House. And yeah, that's what we did from the information center. You basically can ask them wherever you want to go. So that right now also they told us that if you go left, you get this. If you go right, you get this. So it's an information center. You can do bookings also there. You can get your cash converted. First, bahar se, so you see green and red lights wala boards, LED boards. And that's how I thought that there would be conversion over there. But then as you go closer, it looks like it's a tourism body and it's just going to, help you do, it's an agency. But they had conversion, so that's what we did. So we wanted to do the city tour in a hop-on hop-off bus. We asked that also. So, how much she said before? 1 ticket, no? 350,000 dong for 1 ticket in the daytime. That would take you 4-5 hours, and that would, like, entire city tour, that would stop at every location. This after 4:30, the buses after 4:30 are for 150,000 dong, and it's only a 45-minute tour. It will not stop and let you get down for 5 minutes, 10 minutes at all the stops. That is the difference in the price, and that's about the city tour bus.
Fields of our past, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer.
We are where we came from. We came from opposite the Opera House, and now mother has got us to this apartment cafe. So it's basically an entire building of cafes, and she's told us go cross the road and then choose where you want to go. Let me show you. This is the entire building of cafes. There is so much space here to shoot. Like if you get those outfits, I'm done shooting in this outfit at the Opera House. So yeah, I'm done with it. Otherwise, I would have over here also. But like if you wear the streetwear and all, you can do such a good photo shoot here. We are climbing the steps here, and there is an Indian house karke. It showed Pani Puri ka photo. We're just going to go and see. But there are cafes on every floor. Indian house. Indian house. Indian house. We came to the Phuket. We came to Meraki Cafe. There is AC inside, and it was hot when we came. It was hot outside. There is AC in the cafe, but we are sitting out in the balcony because it's looking pretty. So, and we had one coffee and we finished it, and now I will show you what I am doing. This is what I have been eating since yesterday.
Iron deficiency of iron.
Guys, vegetarian menu. Stir fried chicken thigh mushrooms. Is it veg or is it veg? My chain only broke. Hello, my phone is charging. This is the mirror, and they are talking. घर पे. And I have Chanel की lipstick. I told you, I just took the tester from them, and then I put it on my hand, and then from my hand I put it on my lips because my lipstick had come out after lunch, and it's still tickified, so I'm very happy. Chanel lipstick I won. I'm feeling so nice. I should get ready every day at home. This 15 days will make me get into the habit of getting ready every day. Updates, family updates. We just left from the cafe. My Chanel. I'm going to flaunt the Chanel only now. आज का achievement मेरा. But we are heading to Dongsong. It's river is called Dongsong. अभी क्या accent है पता नहीं, but
Pronunciation भी गलत होगा. पता चला Dongsong है. यहाँ से Dongsong.
Dongsong. यार whatever.
Dongsong.
डोसा. इसके पहले what we said?
Dangbo.
Come on, is thank you.
What is this written over here?
Dumbo. We reached Dawson. This mama is full time tying her hair only. Hi, so this is a river and I'm not sure which, but I will insert everything on the screen. I will find out and I will insert. But we just came walking from the apartments cafe apartments. We came straight and we are here at the river. Let me show you. There are yachts here, there are cruises over here. There are big billboards. Yep, there you go. Billboards, yacht. If you can see this yacht. There are yachts here also. And the light coming on my face is basically from the billboards. Imagine how much light is there. Baki ka light is piche. Had the billboards not been there, it would have been very dark. And I don't remember if I mentioned this earlier, but I am so proud of me dressing up today. I've clicked so many photos now, it's going to be attention because I still have my Amritsar series and then the Himachal series to post, and my mother and sister are like, post. But I'm like, I will not do half. ऐसा अमृतसर के बीच में I reached Vietnam, ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? Did I even mention that I am in Vietnam? I must have. I hope I have. But it's day 2. And it's evening. What is the time? 6:37 I think. I am still wearing sunglasses. I love it. I love the look. I hope I get ready all 14 days. Did I just mention the number of days? I hope I get ready all the days. And then that makes me get ready. What is this happening? And that makes me get ready for the rest of this. When I go back home, I want to get ready every day. And if you saw, I don't know if I put it here, but on Insta I put a get ready with me, and I wore the bigger golden hoops, and then they were looking too much with the necklace, so I changed them and I continued wearing these, and it was such a good decision. Good decisions. We are at Katinad Coffee and Tea House. Katinad. One second. Wait, guys, uncle with, side please. Uncle with the chashma. Here you go. Uncle. And girl gang, besties. Woohoo. सब आई रीड गाइस हम आए हैं आइसक्रीम के लिए एंड प्लीज गो अहेड
इधर चल स्टार्ट शाय बाप
बाप के आइसक्रीम तो दे.
खाए माँ शाय
Chocolate for the win.
दो
दो.
बच्चा
अच्छा. Guys, इधर का सीलिंग. अरे यार. Let's go on a drive. It is 7:30 and we are back. It is Besharam. We are back to the room, house, hotel, stay, whatever you call it. And now it's time to edit. No. I तो will edit my महीने पहले का and transfer आज का footage. And it's very sunny. I need to wear my sunglasses. That is, I don't know if this is it for day 2, but mother, you'll say, okay, wait. Now say.
We are so grateful to God.
Grateful to God.
Yeah, we are so grateful to God. He blessed us with heavy showers last night, so we could be well rested. Otherwise, we would have stepped out last night also. We didn't. We had an amazing sleep on this bouncy bed.
On this.
And today, we were blessed again with no rains at all and no sun at all. It was a very pleasant day, and we had a wonderful day, and we saw lots of streets, colorful streets, beautiful streets, huge tall buildings, but very nice.
Yeah. But there was no sun, so थोड़ा sun-kissed photos नहीं आया, but photos have come very nice. It's all about the styling. It's all about the dress.
It's all about attitude.
It's all about attitude and makeup and pose and everything. My new outfit for day 3. Just joking. I didn't do the outro, but tomorrow we are checking out of here from, what is this place? Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. We are checking out from here, and then we will go roam the markets and then take a bag and leave for Da Nang. So that is it for day 2 of the trip. Day 2 of the trip. It's 12:30 in the morning, and it's 11 in India. I'm currently functioning on India time only. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I will see you day 3, 4 in the next video. Please check out the playlist. I will create a playlist. Please read the description. There will be a lot of details that I talk, or if I forget talking, everything will be in the description. I will insert as many links as I can. And my Chanel lipstick is still intact. If you know, you know.